Hey guys, and welcome back here to a new crypto altcoin update on our channel Crypto and Friends. So today we will take a quick look on the VeChain chart. I will show you all the changes into the chart since our biggest correction in the crypto space in the last few weeks, and then I will tell you exactly my price targets and price levels, what I'm looking at the moment and what I'm thinking is very important. So stay in the video. Before we start, just a little reminder, many people haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so if you want to support us, please leave a like and a subscription here back onto the channel. So I would say let's start with the video. So first of all, I want to start on the weekly time frame and I want to do a little recap from latest video on the VeChain FinHev have done in the past. So first of all, we have talked about a big run-up line here from our Corona dump with this big possible ascending triangle into our big symmetrical triangle. In the last video, Finn already talked about the fact that this big chart pattern here, this big ascending triangle, is in this case invalid because we have seen a dump, or especially not a dump, a pump above our top line, which means that it's now invalidated and the pattern isn't this correct at the time. But now we have seen a big change into our chart pattern, because if you take a look here with this green up-run line, and if I draw this line a little bit shorter, we have now formed a smaller ascending triangle into our big symmetrical triangle, which means we have now two very bullish chart patterns. We have a big breakout target. If we are now looking onto the breakout target from our big symmetrical triangle, we can see first of all that we have here a possible breakout target back to I think 35 dollar cent, and we have back here onto our descending or ascending triangle, my bad, sorry. We have here on our ascending triangle a breakout target to 25 dollar cent. That means we have at the moment two very bullish chart patterns with very interesting chart indicators, which I will show you now. If we take a look onto the smaller time frames here on the daily time frame, I want to talk with you about something very interesting. First of all, in Finn's video 3 weeks ago, I think in the end of October, he talked about the fact that we need for sure a higher high after our breakout from our symmetrical triangle. First of all, to confirm our breakout, and for a very bullish sign, because a lower high after breakout from such a big chart pattern would be a very bearish sign for the VeChain course at the moment. So what I now found in the chart is a very bullish sign also for us, because at the moment, if we take a look here, we see that every time the VeChain chart or the VeChain price fall through the daily EMA ribbons, we have seen a higher high after a breakout or a price movement through the daily EMA ribbons again. So what I want to tell you is that after our big all-time high correction back to the 5 dollar cent, we have seen a price movement through our daily EMA ribbons, and then we have seen a new high. After this, we saw another correction back to our up-run line. We can see here our green line. We fall through our daily EMA ribbons, and then we have seen a higher high. Now, what we can see at the moment is we have formed a higher high, now fall through our daily EMA ribbons, and have now the possibility with the bounce onto our symmetrical triangle and also the bounce onto our green up-run line for now breaking through our daily EMA ribbons again, and that we see now a big pump onto our chart again. So in my opinion, for now, we will at least move back to our up-run line or up-run resistance. You can see here onto our chart. These are around the price levels of 20 to 22 dollar cent at the moment. So what we can also say about the chart is that we have seen a perfect retest from our 200 daily moving average here with 3 daily candles onto the chart, which is also a very bullish sign. If we break now through our 50 days moving average, we have now the perfect setup for a big breakout from this big symmetrical triangle here, from our ascending triangle with those chart indicators, and also with our upfront line and the perfect retest. So if we now take a look, for example, on our RSI, we can also see that we have here seen a perfect bounce onto our trend line we can draw from our previously lows. which mean that in my eyes the correction for now is over. We have seen a bounce, we have a very bullish chart indicators, we have seen a bounce onto our RSI. So what you see is that for now on, the VeChain chart has the big possibility for a very, very big breakout onto the $28 cent in the next few days in my eyes, because all these bullish chart indicators and chart pattern, all summed up, are making a very bullish sign for the chart at the moment. I would say that's all my price levels for now at the moment. So I think in my eyes, first of all, it's going very interesting if we break through the small, I need to say small resistance here onto the daily time frame around the price levels of $20 to $22 cent. After this, if we will break through this, I already opened a big VeChain position. I hope that we will see a very fast price movement back to our new all-time high, break our new all-time high, and then get to our big breakout target from our symmetrical triangle around the price levels of $35 cent. So now you know all my price targets. I would say that's all for today's video. I don't want to do a video which is too long, just small update. So if you liked the video, please leave us a like and a comment here down below onto the video. We very appreciate it. Leave a subscription here back to the channel so you don't miss anything. That's all from me for today. Hope you have a great day. Bye.